Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can reconcile bank transitions in QuickBooks. So let's get started. First, log in to QuickBooks Online. From the left menu, click on Accounting and then select Reconcile. Choose the bank account you want to reconcile, then enter the ending balance and ending date exactly as shown on your bank statement. After that, match the transitions. QuickBooks will now show you a list of transactions. Go through your bank statement and match each transaction one by one. If the amount and date match, just check it off. If something is missing, you can add it. And if there's a mistake, simply edit the transaction. And then balance the difference. Your goal is to make sure the difference is zero. That means your QuickBooks records match perfectly with your bank. Once the difference is zero, click Finish Now. QuickBooks will save your reconciliation and generate a report, which you can review anytime. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.